welcome back to another video. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. I hope you are staying safe. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do how I make my homemade burger. Yes guys, let's get into the video. So these are all the ingredients we're going to be needing for this homemade burger. Super delicious yummy burger. First thing first, these, oh my god, that's my son. These are already made, like as you can see. Like if it is the fresh one, all you need to do is just mold them, put your seasoning, then put it in the pan or in the oven and get them baked. But since these ones are already made, I'm just going to add just a little bit of soy sauce. Let's say like 1 tablespoon. That's all that we need. Just it like this. It goes all the way to the second one, like so. Just a little bit of prep it up, prep. So I'm just gonna put them here, like so. I'm gonna put it in the oven, looking like this. So I'm gonna set my oven for 350. This is actually your own way. If you like your own dry, a little bit crispy, when you put it in the oven, once it's looking like that, you bring it out. If you like your own just cook soft or not overcooked, just your preference, just the way you like it. Now I'm going to set my oven for 350. Once it is ready, I will show it to you guys. So now for the bread. If the bread is not fresh, as you can see, this my bread is fresh. Look at it, look at the inside. Like if you buy any other bread that is not looking this luscious and juicy and looking yummy, all you need to do is put a pan on your gas, just flip them like this, dry them a bit. You can rub butter in it, yeah, rub a bit of butter in it, then dry it up, then you start putting all your ingredients. But for me, because this my bread is looking soft, juicy, smooth and all that, fresh, I'm not going to be doing like so. If you're hearing noise, please, my babies are in the view. I'm just going to place my lettuce. You see, I already washed them, but I don't like it dripping, so I'm drying it out. Dry it out like that. Lettuce, tomato, they are optional. Just use whatever you like, whatever healthy veggies that you like, use it for your burger. I'm gonna put onions. Just gonna put my onions like that, like that. Put one tomatoes, whatever, however you want to pronounce it. So just put it like so. Then put one or two cucumber in the middle or wherever you want to place it. I love making burger. I enjoy doing it. I have fun doing it. So you get it? So guys, like I said before, dry it the way you like. What I did was drain the water out, flip it. I didn't show that side. Now I flip it again. I flip it once, so it's completely dry. Look at the way it's looking. Look, juicy. So you see, this is how it's looking. So it's perfect. All you need to do is place one like so. So this is the cheese we're going to be using. So just place it like so. See, because it's hot, that's why I place this cheese immediately, so it can melt like that. Now we're going to put a little bit of ketchup. If you don't like ketchup, you can omit this. Just put a little bit of ketchup, then a little bit of mayonnaise. If you have a pipe, you know all those piping this thing for cake, to be better. Just use it to design it, but I ain't got time for that right now. Just like this. So that's how it's looking. So you can add extra tomato or extra whatever you feel like adding, but I just feel it's good enough like that. So for me, because I like spice, this actually sauce is spicy. If you like spice, because I like spice, that's what I'm adding to just mine and that of my husband. I'm not going to be putting for my kids, but my kids cannot handle. And place your burger like that. This is perfect and doubly made. This doesn't need any hot sauce. So this is your homemade burger. flakes. I'm going to finish the rest by myself. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all. Peace. We out.